My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Crypt2022. Crypt2022 Plus, to be more correct in this case. So this is the name of the new ransomware that may attack Windows computers all over the world. This video will demonstrate to you what exactly this ransomware does with your files. So obviously before the ransomware attack you will be able to open your files without any complications. But pretty soon after the ransomware file is successfully launched, it starts immediately encrypting the data on the hard drive of your computer. And it may add the special zip extension, but removing this zip extension would not decrypt the file. The ransomware tells that people need to pay the special ransom for the file restoration. The ransom is 4,000 American dollars, but paying the ransom does not guarantee that people would get their files back. We strongly urge you not to pay this ransom. What we recommend you to do is to immediately undertake the measures to remove this ransomware. We suggest that you go to the C drive or any other system drive you have, program files, choose Internet Explorer, start Internet Explorer browser and download Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application and begin the detailed research of your system with its help. So use this download Combo Cleaner button, download the application, run the installer, complete the installation process, and then after the installation is finalized, if you don't see any direct desktop icon on your screen, you may also consider going to the C drive of your computer and go to the location of Combo Cleaner in the program files directory. So let's show you how to do it. Go to the C drive, select program files, select Combo Cleaner folder, and then you may start Combo Cleaner directly through this area, and it will help you to detect and delete this ransomware and to protect your data in the future. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So Enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.